Hi, good morning. This is Gangaya from Maths Magic Academy. Today, our topic is calendar. Based on this calendar, if you can observe in the competitive examinations, definitely there is a question. How to solve this question? By using simple techniques, we are going to learn in this video. And viewers, still if anybody not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and watch the video. See here how to find the day of the given date. Suppose one of the date is given, that is, it may be Independence Day. When we got Independence Day, 15th August 1947, or Republic Day. So whatever the date is given for that particular date, how to find day? That means the days are, what are the days? We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So this day, which day the date is given. So that you have to find by using a simple trick. That is, first of all you have to take that Sunday is 0 and Monday 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and go for the weeks, that is number of weeks in a year. Number of weeks in a year. Generally, there will be two different types of years. Those are non-leap year and leap year. Non-leap year and leap year. If you go for a non-leap year, there will be 365 days. And a leap year, 366 days. Based on this 365 days, we have 52 weeks, completed 52 weeks, and one odd day will be remained. One odd day will be remained. That means completed weeks will be 52 and one day will be remained. That's why we can take these odd days. Odd days are 1 and here odd days are 2. So if you divide by 365 by 7, you will get 1 is the remainder, as well as 366 by 7, you will get 2 is the remainder. Whatever the remainder, that you have to assume as odd day. When you are dividing the number of days by 7, the remainder goes to be the odd day. Okay, you don't think odd numbers, even numbers like that. We are taking odd days. How can we find odd days? The number will be divided by 7. Then whatever the remainder we will get, that is nothing but odd day. So here also odd days will be 2. So like that, for 100 years, how many odd days we will get? For 100 years, we will get 5 odd days. If you want, you can calculate for 100 years. So except 100, you don't consider 100 current year. Up to 100 years, there will be 76 normal years and 24 leap years. So 24 leap years will be carry forward 24 into 2, 48 days plus 76 days. If you add all those things and divide it by 7, you will get 5 odd days. Likewise, 200 years, there will be 3 odd days. Just simple, 200 years means 100 plus 100. 100 plus 100 means 100 is what? 5 odd days. One more 100, 5 odd days. 5 plus 5, 10. So if you divide 10 by 7, what you will get? The remainder is 3. So odd number of days are 3. Next 300 years. So here also see 5 plus 5 plus 5, 300, 100 plus 100 plus 100. So that it is getting 15 by 7. So what we will get? 1. The odd number of days are 1. And if you go for 400 years, 400 years, there will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1. Why? Because it is a leap year. 400 is a leap year. That we have to consider. If it is a non-leap year, okay, non-leap year, that is different, but 400 years, if you go for, that is 21 by 7, that means the remainder is 0. So the number of odd days for 400 is 0. See here, by total, you have to remember the days, whatever the numbers are given, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and odd number of days, particular non-leap year will be 1 and leap year will be 2. Likewise, 100 years, 5, 200 years, 3, 300 years, 1, 400 years, 0. Now, one more simple odd number of days you have to find for months. So in January, in the month of January, how many days will be there in the month of January? 31 days. If we divide 31 by 7, what you will get? 7 4s are 28. Remainder will be 3. Like here February. In February, if the current year is leap year, there will be 29 days. If the current year is non-leap year, there will be 28 days. 28 by 7, the remainder goes to be 0. If the February month is, the current February month is a leap year, there will be 29. 29 by 7 will get 1. Like that in March, what is there? March month, number of days will be 31. 31 by 7, again you will get 3 number of odd days. In the month of April, 30 will be there. If you divide 30 by 7, so 2 number of odd days will be there. Based on this, we can write odd number of days in the month. So January, how many days? 3. In the month of February, February only it is a change, either 0 or 1. 0 will be a non-leap year and 1 will be the leap year. And March, there will be again 3. April 2. And May 3. And June 2. July 3. August also 3. And September 2. October 3. November 2. December 3. So these are calculated by using like this only, or otherwise you can take like this: January top side and down side February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So which is giving top, that is a 3, and which is giving down, that is 2, except the February month. The February month will be 0 or 1. So based on that also we can find the odd number of days in a month. And now we can go for the date. Suppose if you take this 17th July 2020. Here it is given 17th July 2020. What is the date in the given date? That we have to find. By simple trick we can find. Before going to that, 2020 is the current year. Previous year you have to take. That is what? 2019. In this 2019, you have to eliminate the 4 multiples of years. How many 4 multiples of years in 2000? 2000 is a 4 multiple of year. 2000 plus 19. Just simply write 2000 plus 19. If it is like 1980, you have to write 1600 plus 300 plus 80. 1600 plus 300 plus 80. Like this. If it is 1900, the 4 multiples of 100 years will be 1600 and remaining will be 300 and it is becomes 80. Like that here also 2019 becomes 2000 plus 19. Here 2000 here is a 400 multiples or 4 multiples. Whatever the 4 multiples is there, that is becomes 0. Why? Because every 4 years after leap year will be there. So for this 400 years we have 0. That's why it is a 4 multiple. That is why it is also 0. So you have to take it is 0 plus. Here 19 years is there. In these 19 years there will be leap years and non-leap years. How many leap years are there? How to find the leap years? Just divide by 4. 19 you have to divide by 4. What you will get? 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. So 4 leap years will be there. And plus. If 4 are leap years in this 19, how many non-leap years? 15 are non-leap years. Understood? Now here 0 plus 4 leap years. These are the leap years. So 4 2s 8. Why? Because for leap year 2 number of odd days will be there. So 4 2s are 8. For non-leap year how many odd days is there? 1. That's why you can take 15. So now here we got 15 plus 8, 23. 23 by 7. What is the remainder? We will get 7 3s are 21. So remainder is 2. So here we got 2 odd number of days for the previous year. Now go for the current year. Current year is a leap year or non-leap year, you have to check it out. Is it a leap year or not? It is a leap year. If it is a leap year, in the month of February, 1 odd day will be there. If it is a non-leap year, the February month odd days will be 0. So up to here given date is July. So up to June we have to take July number of days will be 17. So like that here 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3. So January, February, March, April, May and June and July will be 17. Okay, like this we have to take. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 2 14 and 14 plus 17, that is 31. So this 31 by 7. 31 by 7 is how much? 7 4s are 28. So that the remainder will be 3. So here 3, here one more 2. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So 5 number of odd days will be there. Where is the 5? 5 is a Friday. So if you have any doubt, you can check it out by opening the calendar. What is the day in 17 July 2020? So by using this simple trick, we can find the day of the given date. And viewers, everyone, you can take your date of birth or any important date of you, and by trying this, you can find the day of the week. I request everyone, you have to take your important date and find by using these simple tricks. Likewise, you have to practice so that it is helpful for you in the examination. Okay? Thank you.